This 2026 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 283 RKS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Jackson, Michigan, 49202 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Jackson. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features a driftwood interior, sleeps 5, slide-out, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.